Hi, I'm Chasity Shipley, the Instructional Supervisor for Allen County Schools in Kentucky. I have been in education now for 19 years. And whenever I even think about when was that moment when I decided education was for me in early elementary, looking up to my teachers and the impact that they've made, the way they made me feel in their classrooms, the environments they created. So through those years, I was developing a positive outlook toward education and a love for learning. So from early on, I really did not resort to the traditional way of teaching worksheets and rows. And it was, I believe, my value of authenticity and valuing individuals as who they are and wanting to learn more about how they function and learn and grow. I have noticed that knowing your values as an educator or leader in general really helps you make decisions and just builds your awareness of why you do the things that you do. When I consider my philosophy and challenges that we encounter, and considering Magnify Learning as a partner, I was really thinking about some priorities, including we talked about learner centered, but with teachers as well. Are we going to create an environment where our teachers have personalized learning, where we can cater to the needs? We can talk about the challenges that we see. Oftentimes, it's mindsets or maybe even misconceptions, and we're needing help to bridge current work that we want to honor and bridging that with new work or a new direction or even continued direction, but pushing further within that. And we were looking for a partner to bridge those things together in a way that is facilitating deeper thinking and really seeking to alter our practices here in a good way. So, what we didn't want to happen was someone to come in and ignore the work we've done and have kind of a cookie cutter approach that we would be forcing into our current practice. And so it was a non-negotiable that our partner would work with us with the work we've currently been doing, again, to bridge the work so that could coexist with where we are headed in a way that yields successful outcomes. When I think about an earlier win in the partnership with Magnify, I go back to some of the prior work we'd had with other partners and where everyone has a framework, right? And language. And so when one partnership is ending and we're looking for another partner, and we've trained a whole district with this language, and that was difficult enough, right, for them to merge their current practice in with this new language. It was a win when Magnify found the commonalities instead of sorry, we cannot move forward unless we use exactly, the language and the frameworks from our company. And that was not the case. Magnify was more than happy to cater to our ecosystem, including the language that was already existing within the district. So that was a huge win because it allowed us to connect concepts and move forward. Magnify really helped us think through coaching for our principals, and we do that ongoing, probably monthly at this point. And sometimes it's one-on-one. And then within that, it's also sometimes all of our principals in one virtual space. And in addition to that, in-person sessions, sometimes a couple of days back to back, have occurred as well. So that's another format of supporting us. Also, Magnify has been really helpful in working alongside our teachers as well, and that is formed from our principal conversations. So Magnify works along with our principals, identifying needs for growth for teachers and instructional coaches, and Magnify has been able to cater and develop workshops or sessions to support those as well. Not only that, but they've also come in during those instructional team meetings and co-created the professional learning alongside us. And monthly coaching calls, I could keep going, but it's not one singular format that's isolated as a way to support districts, but a multitude of ways that meet us where we're at. Magnify work really allows students to have that more authentic learning experiences where they are excited to show off their work, explain their learning, and it parallels nicely with our graduate profile work. With Magnify, the products that students are producing really do allow them to practice those and then even explain how they've grown in those areas. So not that PBL is the only way to produce those competencies in kids, but it is one powerful way that supports our graduate profile work district-wide. Something that was unexpected and surprising. I go back to our deeper practice days in October. And I was really surprised at how the work during those 2 sessions led to vastly different projects by each team, including the district team. And the facilitation of it allowed for each school team to develop their own plan that would move this work forward. And I was really surprised at the variety and the differences that teams produced. For example, our district team, just with those 2 days, it produced a professional learning 2-part series that would move forward to enhance the coherence within our district. And it was just fun as well. We did a whole detective room transformation session, and all of that was originated from those 2 work days, just providing the time to brainstorm. Magnify allowed for us to do some feedback protocols, which took our plans to a whole other level, and we were all able to benefit. And we're looking forward to the benefit trickling across the district in classrooms and student impact. I'm thinking about the best partner for Magnify, who would benefit from the partnership. I actually go back to our graduate profile. And we have talked a lot in our district about how, yes, it outlines success for students, but there's a lot to be borrowed as adults as well. It's just a recipe, I feel like, for successful outcomes. So I think about, we have 5 of them. One of them is collaboration. And if you're going to partner with Magnify, I feel like the best outcome is going to come from collaborative adults who are willing to dive in together and meet a goal as a team alongside them. Secondly, communication. Magnify has been wonderful to listen to me, listen to our team and our needs, and just communicating back and forth in different formats to help produce the learning and the need, identify the need, and that's been essential. The third one is problem solving. And so our district is really good at keeping a pulse on what are the needs of our district and our schools. So through identifying that, we work with Magnify to be able to help solve some of those problems and strengthen those areas. The fourth one is resilient learner. And so it's funny I'm using this framework, but it really does fit. Growth mindset is what we use with resilient learner. And just partners that are looking for someone, it really is helpful to be able to identify the needs and know that it's a journey. You're going to move forward with the partnership, and then you're going to identify new areas of growth and work toward those. It's a fun process that evolves. And then the last one is engage global citizen. And I do feel like our partnership worked really well because our district, our leaders really are boots on the ground, elbow to elbow with our teachers and leaders, and our relationships are good here. And I know it's engaged global, but we are engaged here with our ecosystem of adult learners and our students. And so all those things together, I feel like have led to a strong partnership. And so those are just some look fors, in my opinion, for others. I would say if you're on the fence, schedule a meeting, get to know the people at Magnify through conversation, reflection, talking about your goals and where you're at, and just taking a pulse on the conversation and if it is a good fit.